How's it, guys? I've got an Audi A3 here. I'm about to show you guys how to do your timing chain on this 2 liter. Um, you're gonna start with the brass link over here, which is should line up with the mark on your VVT. There's brass with that. These cam loops, I'll show you now in a minute. Then you're gonna count all the way from the brass link, the one right before the brass link, this one over here. You're gonna count all the way up until your 18th and 19th. Until your 18th and your 19th, and there's a mark on your intake cam where your 18th and your 19th sit between that mark over there. Yeah, so once you got that, then you can put your cam later on. That's how you do it. And yeah, final, don't forget to put your tensioner before installing the cam ladder. You must make sure your tensioner is in, and then you can start with fitting cam ladder and torquing up. Another thing that you should take note of is make sure that your rocker arms sits in the correct position, because sometimes you will forget them, then screw up your cams or the head itself.